I am back with a look for today. I use the Beauty Bay All Matte Brights palette. I use these two colors, navy blue and red. The colors are beautiful. They blend well. The only problem I had was the red was a little difficult to pick up. So far the colors that I've used are fine. The red was a little difficult, so I have navy blue and red on. And I use the It Cosmetics Celebration Pressed Powder Foundation in Rich. I use my Tom Ford travel size lipstick in the color Rouge. And I put the JUVIA'S gloss over it. Today's quote, again from my book of The Complete Pocket Positives. The quote I pick for today is, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. This quote is by Eleanor Roosevelt. Remember, invest in self. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And if you have a dream and fear is standing in your way, go step right into fear and conquer that dream. Simply You Makeup is saying bye. Have a fantastic day. I will see you soon. Today's look.